A McLaren P1 was flooded during the Hurricane Ian in Florida. The P1 was just bought a week ago with just 300 miles on the odometer. Unfortunately, the floods caused by hurricane forced the McLaren P1 out of the garage and onto the streets. The P1 was out on the streets sitting above a toilet. That's quite a crappy situation, with everything going down the drain instantly. The flood waters were so strong that they not only floated the McLaren off the ground, but also forced it through the closed garage door and out onto the street. An aftermath shows the P1 outside being engulfed by the flood, with the water level almost coming up to the roof at times. To get a sense of how bad that is, the McLaren measures 46.8 inches in height, meaning there was almost 4 feet of water. It was one of only 375 P1 ever built, and it's estimated to be worth of $1.5 million.